This is a capture race challenge for white. So white is very short on liberties here, and if you've done enough of these problems on this playlist, you know the correct answer almost has to be this diagonal move on the first line. We've seen this simply too many times. Other moves will fail, right? White it's just too short. If you play here, similarly, black will be able to capture you here because black still has 2 liberties left. What about this? Black can actually play here. This way, white is dead. This way, white is also dead, right? So this diagonal move is the only move. And black really only has 2 choices, here or here. Right? If you play something like this, white can connect this way. Right? This won't work. Number 4 won't work. So if black connects here, white needs to be a little careful. White cannot play on the outside now, because after number 4, white is actually dead. Right? If you play something like this, then this is a connect and die for white. If you play this, it's still 1 liberty versus 2, so white is still dead. So what should white do after black's number 2? It's not that hard. You just push here once, right? Because now black has 2 liberties, but after this exchange, black only has 1. And now what happens is that white will be able to play here at number 5. And of course, number 4 here doesn't help, right? Because of this Atari and this killing move at number 9. So number 4 has to be here. And if black connects here, black will be dead. Black cannot come in here. Black cannot come in here, right? It's a tiger's mouth. So black will be 1 liberty short. But black can play this Atari instead. White cannot connect. This way white will be dead. But white can Atari from behind. This is a connect and die for black. So what black should do is to simply capture these 2 stones, and white captures these 4 stones. And this is the optimal result for both sides. And of course, if black wants to save these 5 stones, it needs to connect here at number 10. Otherwise, white has this move, throwing in, and this is a connect and die. So this is the optimal local move for both sides. So white doesn't get to capture all the black stones. What about this move? The idea is similar. Now white cannot play another exchange inside here, right? This way, white will fail. So white has to play from the outside, and if black plays here, white can keep playing on the outside, forcing black to connect here, and black will already be short this way. So black's strongest response is to play this Atari first. White cannot connect. So white can only Atari from behind. Again, this is a connect and die for black. So black's best response is to capture number 1, and white will capture this way. So overall, not too difficult to find the first move if you're more experienced doing this type of problems, but some of the subsequent moves can be tricky. And remember that black doesn't have to sacrifice all of its own stones. There will have to be a little compromise at the end. Hope you enjoyed this little challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.